Hi friends, myself Libin. Today I am going to explain about STBT. So most of the people are not aware like what is STBT. So STBT is nothing. It is like just sell today, buy tomorrow. That is the concept of STBT. So STBT means we can sell a stock without even buying, and we can buy the stock tomorrow. So like thinking the STBT, most of the people will be surprised, okay, how we can sell a stock and we can hold for a long time, and how we can make a profit by selling fast without even buying. So most of the people will be asking this topic. So I'm going to explain all those things through this video. So kindly watch completely so that only you'll be getting a better idea about how we can do short selling and how we can carry forward this stock to next day. So all those things I'm going to explain through this video. So watch completely, then only you'll be getting better idea about short selling. So before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon so that you will be getting notification immediately if I upload any new videos. Come to the topic. So today we are going to explain about STBT. So most of the people are thinking like how we can do STBT, and is it possible to carry forward a short selling position. So most of the people are not aware like how we can sell and hold the stock for a long time. And when you have heard about STBT, STBT is not applicable for stocks. So that is the first thing I want to tell you. When you are going for a stock, STBT is not applicable, because you cannot short sell a stock, and if you are doing a short sell for a stock, it has to be squared off on the intraday. So that is the intraday conditions. Okay, when you are going for like Axis Bank or HDFC Bank, you can do short sell, but there is an MIS also, like marginal intraday settlement. So if you are going for any stock selling, you have to square off on the same day. So that is the condition. Okay, then how we can do STBT? So that is what I am going to explain through this video. Okay, let us open the any of the application and let us explain in a brief way. So I am going to open one of my application and I am going to explain all those things in detailed way. So let us have a detailed discussion about STBT. Okay, I have opened my Angel Broking application, and you can see like this is my dashboard of Angel Broking application. And once you open the applications, okay, I will show you like how we can do the STBT and what are the terms of STBT. So first you can let us have take an example of Axis Bank. So first you have to click on Axis Bank, and you can see there are three segments. Okay, when you are selecting for a stock, there will be three segments. So that will be, one is cash, futures and options. And when you are going with a cash you can do only on an intraday. So if you are going for a short sell, you have to sell on the same day, and you have to buy on the same day. So that is MIS. So marginal intraday settlement. So if you are selling a stock, you have to buy on the same day. So you cannot carry forward. And if you are carry forwarding for the next day, there will be penalty, and your position will be squared off at 315 or 330. So that you have to be very careful. So you cannot carry forward your STBT position. So that you have to keep in mind. And you can sell the stock, there is no problem. Like if you want to, you can just click on here and you can see here there is a sell option. So without even buying the stock, you can sell any stock. So there is no problem. But only thing is that you have to square off on the same day. So here you can see like how you are going to buy. If you want to sell 50 stocks, so you can mention here, and there will be options also. So by opening that, some people they may ask you why then there is an option for delivery and margin. So delivery and margins are only for it will be applicable only for or when you are buying, but when you are selling, this is not applicable. Okay, only for the stock it won't be applicable. You can sell the stock in margin or delivery, so however you want, but when you are going to carry forward, this won't work out. So this is a simple option about stock. So stock you cannot carry forward. Only thing is that when you are going for a stock, you have to sell on the same day, and you have to square off on the same day. So this is a concept about short selling. Okay, let us see next about options. Okay, again let us open Axis Bank, and here you can see there are futures and options. So futures and options you can short sell, and you can hold how long you want also, because there will be expiry date. So if you are going for a STBT on Axis Bank futures, so you can hold for a 1 month. So if you are you can see the date here till 30th July, you can hold that stock. And if you know, like there is a market is going to fall down, or if the Axis Bank is going to fall down, you can sell the futures. But when you are selling the futures, you have to keep in mind that you cannot sell by like 1 shares or 2 shares. It will be a lot size. So if you open here, okay, I'll just show you here. So just click on here, and you can just click on here. So here you can see the options here. So it will be like lot size of 1200. So if you are selling you cannot sell 1 share here. If you are selling, it will be like bulk order. Okay, one lot, it will be 1200 shares. So if there is a 1 rupees loss or profit, it will be 1200. So like that only you can carry. So if you are selling this futures, you can carry forward till the date they are mentioned. Like each, if you are going with a stock, it will be like every monthly there will be an expiry. So every Thursday, last Thursday of the month, it will be an expiry. So till expiry, you can hold the stock. And this won't be going into a zero, because when you are going for an option can go to zero also on expiry day. But here it will be, the price will be like, it will be a fixed price, and the loss also will be based on that only. So always you have to keep in mind, when you are going for a future, you can do the STBT, and you can hold till the date they are mentioned there. And you can here instead of 50, you have to enter only 1 or 2 how to buy. So you have to keep in mind, like 1 lot is equal to 1200 shares. And the lot size I have mentioned already. You can see the lot size here, and here you can make it as market. And here you can see, because there is no delivery and margin option, because the stocks which are going to do an STBT will be only on carry forward, not delivery or margin. So that is the reason you can do only carry forward. So this is the option you have to select here. Like when you are going to carry forward the position, or when you are going to do the STBT, you have to do only carry forward. And once you submit, the stock will be done. So you can hold for till the expiry date. And the same way we can, okay, in the same way we can do options also. So I have opened Axis Bank option also. Option you can see here, like currently the Axis Bank rate is almost 450. And when you are going with C, and you can see, like when you are going with an options, you can see there is a C and P. So both you can do short sell. Like if you are thinking, okay, the Axis Bank rate may go to 500. So on those occasions, like what you can do means, you can go with the PE, and you can sell any PE. Like for example, if you sell 450 PE, the PE rate will be coming down, and it will be like every monthly there will be an expiry. So before that, if you see here, like the both will be like, when the market is going up, the CE will be going up, and the PE will be coming down. And the same way, when the Axis Bank is coming down, the PE will be going up, and the CE will be coming down. If you see the rate also, you can see here, the CEs will be increasing from down, like 400 onwards. You can see the rate is 48, and the rate is like going to from down onwards, the rate will be decreasing. And when you are going with the PE side, the like whichever is having above the rate, it will be like the value will be more. Like you see 500, like the value is almost 55. And like when you are going with a C and PE, and you have to be very careful. Like every monthly there will be an expiry, and the rate will be become zero. Like for example, this expiry is like at 450. Just imagine, okay, this expiry is on next Thursday, and the Axis Bank is going to expire at 450. And in that situation, like whichever C is above this 450 will go zero. So that is the reason I'm telling, like when you are going to when you are going to sell any CE, you see, for example, you can sell this 490. Okay, you are thinking that this Axis Bank is not going to that level, so you can sell that CE. You can sell that CE. So this 500 CE, if you sell there, you can make 2 rupees there. 2 rupees means almost 2400. It means like per lot it is 1200. So with 2 lot, you can make 2400. So almost 2400 you can make. Like that you can make. Okay, if you are thinking, okay, it won't go to maybe 470. So in that occasion, like expiry, this will be going into a zero, and you can make almost 4 to 5,000 rupees. So but only thing is that you need more money. Okay, when you are going for a short selling, the margin is more compared to buying. And in the same way, you can go with the PE side also here. Okay, you are thinking like, okay, the Axis Bank, it will be expiring at 450. So if you sell this PE like for 440 or 430, PE you can sell. Okay, so this PE will be going into a zero. So there you can make, definitely you can make a profit. So if you are thinking, okay, this is not going to that level, then there will be a good profit also, and this profit will be fixed. And within that maybe within that expiry date, this will be going into a zero. And if the reverse case, you will be getting a huge loss, because if, for example, you have taken 460 C, okay, you are thinking like it won't be going to this level, and if it is crossing to that level, it may go to maybe 50 or 100 also. Like if it is going above 500 or 550 and within 1 month, so the rate can also increase. So always you have to be very careful. Like when you are going for a short sell, the loss will be unlimited, because the upper side we cannot judge how much it is going to be up. But in the downside, when you are going for a buy, we can decide, okay, this is going, maximum loss will be 4 rupees or 5 rupees. Like for example, if you are buying 450 CE, the maximum loss will be 10, okay. Here you can see the 10.60. So this will be the maximum loss. But when you are selling, you cannot judge how much this will be going. Sometimes it can go to 20, 30, 40, 50, anything can happen. So always you have to be very careful. So this is all about like short selling, and in the same way we can do with the Bank Nifty also. I'll just explain that also. Okay, let us see this. The same way we can do Nifty and Bank Nifty also. So if you are going with a Nifty, you can sell any Nifty, okay. Like for example, you are thinking like same concept like how it is I explained in the Axis Bank. So this will be an option, okay. Like when you are going with an options, so you can sell, okay, thinking like Nifty won't be going up to this level. So whichever C is coming, okay, I'll open one and I'll explain in a detailed way. Okay, this is option about Nifty option. Same way I told you. Right now the Nifty's current value is 11,200, and you are thinking, okay, Nifty won't go above this level. So whichever C is coming this level, you can sell there. And the same way P also, like whichever is coming below this level, like 11,000 and all, if you sell, you can make a good profit. So this is the concept of short selling. So short selling means the stock you cannot carry forward for the next day. If you are short selling any stock, you have to buy on the same day. So this will happen only on intraday. And when you are going with the options and futures, you can short sell and you can hold till the expiry date. And there will be like every week. Sometimes if you are going with the if you are going with the Bank Nifty and Nifty, you have to be careful, because Bank Nifty and Nifty will be expiring on every week, and stock will be expiring on every month. So this is the difference. Okay, always you have to keep in mind, like the Bank Nifty and Nifty is not similar to stocks, because stock will be expiring on every month, and coming to the Bank Nifty and Nifty, it will be expiring on every week. So always you have to keep in mind, and whenever you are going for a short selling, you have to keep all these things in mind, so that you can take a better trade in future. So this is the concept about short sell, and you can if you are thinking like the market may fall down in coming days, so on those occasions you can short sell and you can make your money, and there is no problem, like you can short sell till the expiry date, and there is no extra charges and all. Same like how you are doing in the buy. So you are buying and holding for a long time, and you can, in the buy there is an advantage is there, you can buy the stock also, but stock also you can buy like 50 or 100, like that you can numbers you can buy and hold for how long you want. But in the stock it is not possible, only like during like based on the date mentioned there, only that date only you can hold. So this is the difference between STBT and BTST. So BTST means buy today, sell tomorrow. So that is a different thing I have already explained in my last video. So always you have to be very careful when you are buying the stock. In the same way you have to be very careful when you are selling the stock also. Back to my Telegram channel. This is I have created a Telegram channel to help the beginners. Okay, so those who are interested to join to my Telegram group, you can join here and you can learn more about market. So daily basis I'll be updating lot of things related to market. You can see here like daily basis I'll be updating like how the market status and where we have to invest, because today also I have given like Nifty support and resistance. I will be informing you, and like where we have to invest. Like here you can see today I told to buy Nifty CE, and what was the target I was given, and target is hit, and what is the profit for my client. So all those things I'll be posting here, so you can see like how is the client has booked the profit. So daily basis I'll be giving this group. This group is absolutely free. Okay, so anyone can join to this group. The same way I have created a WhatsApp group also. The link I have given in the description, but right now the WhatsApp group is almost full. So that is the reason I have created a Telegram channel. So if you are not able to join in WhatsApp group, so either you can join in WhatsApp group or Telegram channel. So this is a free group, and the link I have given in the description. Okay, moving to my YouTube channel. Those who interested to learn more about market, you can visit my YouTube channel Libinij, and you can learn more about market. So daily basis I'll be updating like what is the market status, and like lot of things I'll be updating, and where we have to invest for long time, because and how we can use 200 EMA and RSI for long time stock selection, and about like daily every week or monthly I'll be giving like 2-3 stocks based on 200 EM and RSI, and you can see like what is the performance of HDFC Bank and HDFC Life. So all these are achieved targets. So this is like if you want to learn more about market, you can visit my YouTube channel and you can learn more about market. Hope this topic is very clear, and if you need any support or any suggestions, kindly comment below the video so that I'll be responding to each one of you. In the same way, if anyone interested to open account with Angel Poking or Alice Blue, you can open the account. So I have given the link in the description. Okay, you can click on the link and you can open the account. So once the account is open, I will help you out how to trade and what are the basic things you should know. All those things I will be teaching you also. So those who are interested to open account, you can open the account, and the link I have mentioned in the description. The same way, if you are happy with this topic, you can like my video. In the same way, you can share to your friends who are interested in trading. Kindly subscribe, share and like. Thanks for watching.